You cannot tell me that this is not my hair.
You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. For today's video, I do want to add some length to my hair. I want to, you know, spice it up a little. This is how my hair is looking today. I did not add any products to it, and surprisingly it looks really good. A little dry, but it definitely could use some products now, but nonetheless the curls are there. So I did get a Jerry Curl V-part wig from Beauty Forever here. I'm going to show you guys everything that comes with the wig. So here we have our wig. They also send you a bag with some stuff inside. I'm just going to open it and show you guys everything that comes with it. So they send you some lashes, some clips, a stocking cap, and also a headscarf. Ooh, nice. Okay, so this is the wig here. The curls are a little tighter than my own, but once I add products to my hair, it's pretty much the same thing. So with your V-part wig, what I like about it is the fact that you can wear it with some hair, just like the tiniest bit of leave out, or you can choose not to leave any hair at all out. And yeah, this is what the inside of it looks like. It does have the combs on the inside. It also has the extra elastic band here in the back for extra security. And this is what the wig is looking like, y'all. So with this wig, I'm not gonna braid my hair. I'm just gonna leave some hair out on this side here. Honestly, I'm not even gonna take a comb into it, because remember I said we want it to look very natural. So I think that's enough hair right here. Yeah. Now I'm just going to take the rest of my hair and pin it up. I usually have some bobby pins, but I can't find it. So I'm just going to take this hair and kind of like just wrap it around. Alright, so that's what the back of my hair is looking like. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to tighten the elastic bands that come underneath it itself. And we're just going to take the clips and clip them in. So to blend my leave out with the extension, I'm going to be using the Wave Nouveau Moisturizing Lotion. This is pretty much what I use on my hair for my curly perm, to like hydrate it and moisturize my hair. I'm just going to part it in like 2 sections. Like I said, I'm not really going for like a part. I kind of want it to look very natural. So I'm just going to take this like that.
You go, now you know how I've been living without you, daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon, with you tonight is on an island.
Alright, so now it's starting to look really good. Now I'm just going to take my Eco Styling Gel and we're just going to lay some baby hairs. Okay, y'all, I don't know where that sunlight came from, but it just got so bright outside. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like. I don't know if I should go in and wet the curls just to like loosen them up a little bit, or kind of like just leave it like this. I feel like it looks really good like this. So this is what it looks like from the back, y'all. Side, other side. This was so fast and so easy to do, you guys. I did this within like less than 5 minutes. All I had to do was pin up my hair, try on the wig, and yeah, just pretty much blend my hair with it, and it looks so natural. I love the curl pattern of this wig itself. Like I said, it is their Jerry Curl unit. I did get this wig in a 20-inch. It is their V-part unit. Definitely really good for like the curly girls and you just want to add some inches to your hair. This is like literally perfect. A 5-minute hairdo, and we have a whole new look here. Like this wig, you guys, I would definitely recommend for the girls that are not used to wearing lace fronts or just don't have the time and patience to lay down a wig every day. If you just want to add some volume and some inches to your length, this wig is definitely it. I also love the fact that I did not have to go and add any products to this hair. I didn't add anything to this hair, you guys, and it looks so good. It literally looks like my natural hair texture. Like, this is so beautiful. I'm definitely loving this wig. I love this. Like I said, it was a pretty easy hairstyle within less than 5 minutes. I had an entire new do, so I'm really liking this. The hair feels really good also. Yeah, I'm so impressed with this, you guys. Honestly, I'm really impressed. This is my second V-part wig, not from the same company, but so far I've always had like a good experience with them, and I just love the way this looks. It's very natural, it's very realistic. There's no lace, there's very minimal work. The wig pretty much speaks for itself. It is just such a natural looking wig. Pretty much the whole concept behind like a V-part wig is for you to have like a more realistic look. So funny because I had this wig sitting in my closet for about 4 months now, and I was kind of scared to install it at first because I'm like, oh, I don't want to do leave out and I don't want to do this and that. But I'm so happy that I actually went into my closet a few days ago and I found it, and I'm like, yeah, let me just install it and see what it's given. So I'm saying all this to say that I'm really impressed with the wig, and I'm happy that, you know, we're in the middle of summer so I can finally rock it. I love this. And yeah, if I do have a discount code for this wig, I will have that listed somewhere down below in the description box for you guys. My lashes that I'm wearing is my colored glitter lashes that's on my website right now. Yeah. I will have all the details on where you guys can purchase this exact same wig listed down below in the description box. So I'm gonna finish off this video right here. Like I said, definitely get you one of these wigs. The V-part units are the new it thing, so get your hands on one. And yeah, comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the hair. How do you guys feel? Is it looking natural to you guys? Like, I really want to know you guys' opinion on the wig itself, not just my own. So yeah, I'll pretty much catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed already, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need, Kayladeebookings, yeah.
You cannot tell me that this is not my hair. Like, girl, what?